Boom. What's up, guys? I think we are live. What's up, Agency Hypergrowth crew? Guys, I've got a good one for you here. Happy Saturday. Let me make sure we're live on my phone. What's up? What's up? If you guys are tuning in live, let me know in the comments. What's going on, guys? Give me a hashtag live if you're tuning in live on Facebook here. I have got a kick-ass training for you guys. I put out a post, I think, yesterday, and we had a fair amount of people request this. And I figured I would just go live and just do the training here with you guys. So, guys, I want to just pour value into you right now. If you're tuning in live, let me know. What's up, guys? We got people jumping on. Give me a hashtag live down below in the comments. Guys, this is going to be all about the 7 types of video content that we use to land premium clients on retainer. This is a system that we developed before we started coaching agencies, and it's something that we then started teaching, and over time, through teaching and getting feedback and learning and that whole cycle, we've really perfected the process of using video content to go out and land clients. And I wanna share that with you guys right now. So let's get into it. Now, I don't know how well you guys can see this document, but I'm just gonna go straight off it for you. A few caveats here. So, guys, if you're not quote unquote good on camera, don't worry. This actually works in your favor, and I'll explain why in a second. Number 2, you guys have to remember this. So few agencies know how to effectively use video content, which means just the act of you doing it will set you apart in and of itself. Number 3, the only reason, guys, that this strategy and these 7 types of video pieces of content will not work for you is if you don't work. Like, this is stuff we use with our private clients day in and day out. It's been proven to work. So let me go back to point number 1 really quickly. By the way, guys, if you're just jumping on live, welcome. Glad to have you here. Give me a comment. Let me know that you're tuning in live. Guys, if you're not quote unquote good on camera, here's why it actually works in your favor. You not being quote unquote good on camera will likely not have a lot of the sort of predisposed notions and bad habits that a lot of people that are quote unquote good on camera have. Let me explain. If you're not good on camera, you're probably a little bit like hesitant or maybe like a little bit messy, if you will. And that actually works in your favor, guys, because what people don't want is people don't want perfect. People don't care about you looking great on camera and always saying the right things and never messing up your words. People actually really resonate with someone who isn't perfect, knows that, and is willing to embody and own that, yet still go out and do the shit, right? So if you guys, again, if you're not quote unquote good on camera, don't worry about it. It actually works in your favor. Go out, do it anyways. Use what I'm gonna give you guys in this training. Let's roll, baby. So, 7 types of video content that will land you clients today. Guys, this is like gold material I'm giving you right now. This is stuff we literally teach our private clients. Nor, what's up, man? Chris, what's going on, brother? So we got some people jumping on here. Give me a hashtag live in the comments. Let me know if you're excited for this training, and let me know if you find this helpful. So number 1, the first video, guys, that you want to start using in your agency to land clients is what I call the pre-call indoctrination video. Now, really quick, guys, what this is yeah, man, Matt, I am giving away the sauce here. This is a video that you send to your prospective clients before a sales call. So let's say you've already booked a call with them, they're on your calendar. You want to send them this video before they actually get on the phone with you. The main focus here is, as implied by the title of it, it's pre-call indoctrination. So it's designed to indoctrinate, or really bring your prospective clients rather into your world and into what it's like to be a part of your world through sharing your story and sharing just a bit about your agency and why you do what you do. And what this does is it also allows your prospective clients to emotionally connect with you before they actually get on the phone with you, which is huge. This will do a lot of heavy lifting before you even get on the phone. Number 2, this is more of a content video that you will use across your social profiles. This is what I call the how to achieve X results without doing Y video. So insert X result for what you've determined your market really wants, and insert without doing Y for what you've determined your market hates doing. So this is designed, guys, to be value-based and value-focused. This is not necessarily a real salesy video. This is a video where you're really focusing on showcasing to your prospective clients how they can achieve the result they want without doing the thing that they hate doing. The main focus here, guys, is speaking to your market through pinpointing their exact desires and their struggles / bottlenecks that they're facing in their business. And if you don't know these things, guys, then you need to be talking to your market more often. This sort of video content can go across your social profiles, so Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. And lastly, guys, here's kind of a golden nugget. You can also send this video to prospective clients in your pipeline who you've already had a call with for follow-up use. So clients you want to follow up with, you can send this how to achieve X results without doing Y video. It's extremely powerful stuff here. Number 3, the client interview video. This is huge, guys. Huge, huge, huge. So essentially what you want to do is, for those of you that already have clients, and even better, if you have clients who are happy and they're getting great results with your agency, share that. Share that with the world, guys. Share that with your prospective clients, with your audience, if you feel pulled to, if it feels in alignment for you. And if it does, what you want to do is interview one of your successful clients and really just shine a spotlight on their wins. Get your client to share their experience with the world. Inspire other people in their market to show them what's possible. This works really well, guys, especially if you've already been giving value through your videos across your social profiles prior to doing a client interview. And guys, I can tell you firsthand, this sort of content, especially the client video or the client interview video rather, is literally content that drives people to buy. It's what gets people to go, holy crap, this is legit. I want to work with this person. Number 4, the live Q&A video. This is something that works really, really well for the sake of building what I call the trust and authority bank with your audience. It's kind of depositing a little bit of trust and a little bit of authority in that bank that I call it. Really, guys, it's super simple. You probably heard of this before, but you want to go live either on your personal Facebook profile or inside your group, your Facebook group, if you have one, if you're building one. And really, guys, all it is just an open Q&A where your audience can ask whatever they want to ask you. And the key, guys, is you want to show up to this live Q&A purely to serve and help, not to sell, not to try and push into doing anything, just to serve, to help your market, show that you know what you're talking about, and that you can help them. Number 5. The most common mistakes video. This is huge, guys. This is the type of content that will really educate your market and create shifts within them that will move them to want to make a buying decision, and they'll go with you because you're putting a face to your name, unlike what most agencies are unwilling to do. So what this video does, guys, is it's designed to highlight the most common mistakes your market is making. So really in this video, you want to be talking about, here's the most common mistakes I see roofing companies make, or I see landscapers make, or chiropractors or dentists, or whatever the case is. Here are the most common mistakes I see them making, and here's what you could be doing instead. Bonus points if you can show your market why what they think they should be doing is actually detrimental to the growth of their business. That's an added bonus if you can do that. Number 6, guys, here's what I call the why you'll fail video. This is huge. This is extremely powerful for educating your market on the most common pitfalls, and why most business owners in their niche will fail. It's also meant to educate them on why they need to have a professional, aka you as the agency, help take over their marketing and not try and do it themselves. By the way, guys, give me some comments down below right beneath this video if you're watching live, and if you're finding this helpful, let me know. Give me a yes in the comments. By the way, stick with me here till the end, guys, because I'm going to give you the opportunity to actually grab this document so you can get your hands on it firsthand. Lastly, number 7, this is a golden one, guys. Pay attention here. So this is what I call the post-enrollment welcome video. So what this is a welcome video that you send to new clients after they've already signed on with you and become a client for your agency. It's a super short video. It's just something like, hey, Bob, and make sure you're like upbeat, you're smiling, it's good energy. Hey, Bob, just want to congratulate you and tell you how happy and excited I am to have you here as a client. I can't wait to help you get to X goal, insert the goal they told you on the sales call, and here are your next steps, et cetera, et cetera. I know we're going to crush it for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. It can literally be a 30 to 60 second video, guys. But this video, the purpose is it's going to continue even after the sale, right? Because I don't even like saying, closing a deal, because realistically, guys, what you're doing is you're not closing anything. You're actually opening up the doors to a profitable and potentially fruitful, mutually beneficial business relationship between you and your client. And you want to continue to open those doors even after they're a client. You want to continue to build that trust factor and sort of that family feel of what it's like to be a client of yours. Lastly, guys, it'll also make it super easy, and this is why this is really key here. It'll make it way easier to ask for referrals in the future from your clients if you continue to build up that trust and know, like, and trust factor and that family feel with them even after they become a client. So Guys, that's it. Wanted to pop in here, do this training really quickly. We're not going to stay on here for an hour. This isn't a webinar. I want to just pour value into you guys really quickly. If you found this helpful, let me know. Now, lastly, if you want to get your hands on this document, the downloadable PDF versions, you have this all in front of you. You have the list of the 7 types of video content that you can start using to land premium clients on retainer today. Then comment hashtag video on this live video. Comment hashtag video, guys, and somebody from the team, one of our group specialists here in the group, will send this document over to you. That way you can have it and you can use it anytime you feel stuck, you're not sure what content you want to put out. Just refer back to this video. This will spark some ideas for you and you'll be right on your way. Again, guys, video content is one of the most powerful sort of tools and strategies you can leverage to start landing more clients in 2021 for your agency that very few people either are doing or are doing well. And that's why it's such a massive opportunity right now, especially actually, it's really independent of whether or not you're running ads for your agency. Because even if you are running ads, you still want to be using video content because it's just as powerful either way, if not more powerful if you're running ads because you get more eyeballs on it. So, guys, that's it. I'm going to sign off. Again, comment hashtag video on this video if you want to get your hands on this document. Someone from the team will reach out. I love you guys. See you soon. Keep crushing. Peace.